What it is, Uncle Bocow back in the building. My boy Nihshon with me right here. We're gonna test this out. This is a Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw. So this is hot. This is hotter than a regular Fatalii. See that bad boy? I got a knife here. We're gonna cut this baby, cut it down the middle and get into it. You want the smaller half?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you're good. All right, Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw. Oh, it smells fruity as all heck. It's sweet in the beginning.
Wow, that's hot.
You got hot already? It hasn't kicked in for me yet. We got placenta. Now it's getting hot.
Oh, okay. Water.
You can't do it?
That's crazy.
No, that water's gonna make it worse.
Oh, what I get?
Huh?
What I get?
Ah, man. Look if there's any milk in there. There ain't no milk in there. Milk will make it worse for a minute, too.
I'm gonna try powder.
Yeah, try the Powerade. Maybe the sugar or the ash in the Powerade make it. Guys, these are not a regular Fatalii. It's a Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw. I don't know who crossed this. Maybe Rocco Maltese. It's hot. It's hot. I ain't had this pepper in over a year. Well, maybe not over a year, but it's been a year. Me and Mr. Bocow reviewed this only once. And I remember liking it, and so I only got one plant of this. You good?
That did not work.
He said that did not work, man. My boy Nihshon, but you gotta give him credit, man. He did it. That's the one thing. Whoo! He did it. He at least tried it.
Oh yeah, I ate the whole thing.
You ate the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh man, all right. He ate the whole thing, he said. That first bite, he probably got a piece of the vein. I didn't until now. Ooh. That's a good pepper though. It's not floral. It's not bitter. It's sweet, fruity, citrusy, and hot. I got real good heat to it. Man. That's going good. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
All right, brother. So that's it, the Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw. Rocco Maltese crossed this with a Yaki Blue Fawn and a Big Red Mama to make the Orion. Not sure if this is Rocco's cross right here, although it could be. Comment below if you know if Rocco Maltese crossed this one itself, created the Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw. It's a good pepper. Real good pepper. Like I said, fruity, sweet. Not too sweet, but it's fruity, a little bit sweet, citrusy, and hot. If you've ever had a Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw, comment below. Uncle Bocow, we're out.